Hi guys, welcome to my channel Track with Joes, the one-stop destination for all competitive exams. Today we are going to learn about proportions. Previously we have learned about topic called ratios. So the another important topic in ratio and proportions is nothing but proportions. So let us know what is meant by proportions. Proportions are nothing but A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F. For example, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6. What is meant by proportion? Because if we simplify this, we get same answer for all A by B, C by D, and E by F. So let us know the important thing in proportions is nothing but compound and dividendo. So what is compoundo and dividendo? Compound and dividendo is nothing but A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. Let us take example A by B equal to 1 by 2, C by D equal to 3 by 6. Then A plus B 1 plus 2 by A minus B 1 minus 2 equal to C plus D 3 plus 6 by C minus D 3 minus 6 equal to 3 by minus 1 equal to 9 by minus 3. It can be simplified as 1 by 3. So we got answer as minus 3 equal to minus 3, 3 equal to 3. And in compound and dividend, if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, then we can write it as A plus B plus C by, sorry, A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F. Let us go with example. If A by B equal to 1 by 2, C by D equal to 2 by 4, E by F equal to 3 by 6, then A plus B plus A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 6 by 12 equal to 1 by 2. In the same way, if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, then we can write it as A minus C minus E by B minus D minus F. For example, if A equal to 1 by 2, B equal to 2 by 4, C equal to 3 by 6, then A plus B plus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 4 minus 6 equal to minus 5 by minus 10, which is nothing but 1 by 2. In the similar way, We can also write with constants. If there are constants like MA by MB equal to NC by ND equal to OE by OF, then we can write it as MA plus NC plus OE by MB plus ND plus OF. If P square A by P square B equal to Q square C by Q square D equal to R square E by R square F, we can write it as P square A Q square C R square E by P square B Q square D plus R square F. So this is the advantage of compound and dividend term. And proportions, there are three types of proportions, which is one of the important thing to remember. Here mean proportion is nothing but x square equal to AB or x equal to root AB. Third proportion is nothing but x equal to B square by A. And here fourth proportion is x equal to BC by A. Here mean proportion is also known as MP, EP, FP. From this, the topic ratio and proportion was completed. So let us try practice with some few examples and previous year questions which was asked in all competitive questions. Guys, we know that mean proportion is nothing but x equal to root AB. Here A equal to 3 plus root 2 and B is 12 minus root 32. So 3 into 12 is nothing but 36 minus 3 root 32 plus 12 root 2 minus root 2 into root 64, 32. 36 minus 3, here 32 can be written as 16 into 2 plus 12 root 2. Here root 2 and root 2 will be cancelled. So 2 into 32 is nothing but 64. And root 16 is nothing but 4. So 4 3 is a 12 root 2 plus 12 root 2 minus 64 equal to, here 12 root 10, 12 root 2 will be cancelled. So 36 minus 64 is nothing but root 28. Root 28 can be written as root 4 into 7. So root 4 is nothing but 2 root 7. Guys, you can see that this is a lengthy one, but we can do it simply by practicing it in a mind. To understand clearly, I have written all the sum, but you don't waste time in the examinations. Just do it in a mind and clearly. Here given fourth proportion. So we know that fourth proportion is nothing but x equal to BC by A. Here B is 0.21, C is 8 and A is 0.12. So it will be cancelled in 4 times in 3 table and in 7 times in 2 into 2 table. Here 4 will be cancelled as 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. Given here that third proportion. So guys, we know that third proportion is nothing but x equal to b square by a. Here b is 0.2 into 0.2 by 0.8 one time and 4 times. So 0.2 by 4 into 10 into 10. So 2 by 40 nothing but 1 by 20, which gives us an answer 0.05. Guys, if we don't know cancellation sign in decimals, then we need to multiply with 10, hundreds, thousands according to the question. Again, given here that third proportion. So we know that third proportion is nothing but x equal to b square by a. Here b is nothing but 18. 18 into 18 by 12. 6 2 is a 6 3 is a 2 1s are 2 9s are. So 3 9s are nothing but 27. Guys, listen carefully. Given here that find the two mean proportions means x equal to root AB. So given here that A is 2, B is 54. And again asking A and B in different way. So 2 into 54 is nothing but 108. So that is fine. In the question 6 into 18, 108. 6 into 12, 72. 12 into 8, 108. So it was a wrong answer. And 6 into 9, which will be less than 100. So it was wrong. So guys, answer 1 is correct answer. Guys, listen carefully that not even doing sums, but sometimes in question they will directly ask the questions. So we can do it by without doing a sum and seeing the answer. They ask here about the mean proportion. So we know that mean proportion is nothing but x equal to root AB. Guys, divide it with 100. By 100 into 100. So we got here as 121 into 9 by 10,000. So root 121 is nothing but 11 and root 9 is nothing but 3 and root 10,000 is nothing but 100. So 33 by 100 is nothing but 0.33. So option 2 is correct answer. Guys, we already discussed it in proportions, in compound and dividend sums. So here P equal to 2x, Q equal to 3x, R equal to 2x, S equal to 3x, P equal to 2x, U equal to 3x. So they ask that 2xm plus 2xr plus 2xt by 3xm plus 3xn plus 3xu. So let us take common as 2x and here 3x. So m plus n plus t by m plus n plus t. So the option is 2 by 3. And guys, we don't need to do this all these sums. The same type of question was asked again. Given here a by b equal to c by d equal to e by f equal to 1 by 2. So without doing the sum, we can say that PA plus QC plus RE by PB plus QD plus RF equal to 1 by 2. Even if we do the calculation, we got the same sum. Let us do that. XP, XQ, XC by 2XP, 2XQ plus 2XF equal to, if we take the X as a common, P plus Q plus R by P plus Q plus R equal to 1 by 2. Here A is X, C is X. We need to take them as X because given here that A, C and E value as 1, B, D, F value as 2. Guys, listen carefully that this is another important most topic question and it was a tricky question. Just listen carefully. Given MA plus NC by MB plus ND. So if A by B equal to 1 by 2, C by D equal to 3 by 6 because given here that A values and A by B equal to C by D. So M plus 3N by 2M plus 6N equal to equal to M plus 3N by, if we are taking 2 as a common, M plus 3N equal to 1 by 2. So A by B is equal, C by D is equal, A plus C by B plus D is equal. But here C minus A and D minus C are not equal because let us do the answer. 3 minus 1 by B minus D. 2 minus 6 equal to 2 by minus 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. So for all the options we got answer as a 1 by 2 and here we got a negative value. So option D is right answer because here in question they asked that not equal to. Guys, these are another kind of questions. By doing just a simple calculation, we got this as answers. Here given that 2 by 5 equal to 5 by 6 by adding some term. We don't know the term. Let us take them as x and here also x. So by doing a cross multiplication, we got them as 12 plus 6x equal to 25 plus 5x. So 6x minus 5x equal to 25 minus 12. So x equal to 13. Let us do 2 plus 13 by 5 plus 13 equal to 15 by 18 equal to 5 by 6. So option 3 is correct answer. Right, this is also same type of question. So given that 7 by 5 by adding some term, here we got an ratio of 4 by 3. By doing a cross multiplication, 7 3s are 21 plus 3x equal to 4 5s are 20 plus 4x. So 21 minus 20 equal to 4x minus 3x. So 1 equal to x. So option 1 is correct answer. Let us verify. 7 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 equal to 8 by 6 equal to 4 by 3. Guys, listen very carefully that here given 2 times of A equal to 3 times of B. And in a similar way, given that 2 times of A is equal to 4 times of C. So here A by B equal to 3 by 2. Here A by C equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2 by 1. So in first class 1, we discussed that B is to C, A is to C. So here B value is 2 and A value is 3. Here A value is 2 and C value as 1. So B is to A is to C equal to 4 is to 6 is to 3. But we want answer as A is to B is to C. So 6 is to 4 is to 3. Option 4 is correct answer. Guys, there is no confusion because if we write A here as, then there will be a wrong answer because there are two A's which are not common. So I have just reversed the values in a different way and you got BAC. So, but in question they asked that ABC. That's why I have taken A here and B here. So the answer is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Guys, given that here 2 by 3 A equal to 75 percentage of B. So 2 by 3 A equal to 3 by 4 B. A by B equal to 3 3 is a 9, 2 4 is a 8, 9 by 8. Here 75% can be written as 75 by 100 equal to 3 by 4. And also given that 75 percentage of B equal to 0.6 C. So we know that 75% is nothing but 3 by 4 B and 0.6 can be written as 3 by 5 C. So B by C equal to 3 4 is 12, 12 5 is 3 5 is 15, 12 by 15, nothing but 4 by 5. We got 0.6 because 0.6 into 10 by 10 equal to 6 by 10 equal to 3 by 5. So A is to B equal to 9 is to 8, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5. Then A is to B is to C equal to 9 4 is 36 is to 4 8 is 32 is to 8 5 is 40. So in 4 table, it can be simplified as 4 9s are 36, 4 8s are 32, 4 10s are 40. So 9 is to 8 is to 10. Option 4 is correct. Guys, given that here A plus B equal to 6x, B plus C equal to 7x, C plus A equal to 8x. So let us add them. A plus B plus B plus C, so C plus A equal to 6x plus 7x plus 8x. Then 2A plus B plus C equal to 21x. So here given that A plus B plus C equal to 14 equal to 21x. So x equal to 28 by 21 equal to 4 by 3. So given that A plus B equal to 6x equal to 6 into 4 by 3 equal to 8. So therefore A plus B equal to 8. A plus B plus C equal to 14. C equal to 14 minus A plus B equal to 14 minus 8 equal to 6. So option C is correct answer. Again same kind of question was asked. Here given that A equal to 2x, B equal to 3x, C equal to 4x and given 2a minus 3b plus 4c equal to 33. 2 into 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 4 into 4x equal to 33. Substitute the values of a, b, c. Then 4x minus 9x plus 16x equal to 33. 11x equal to 33, x equal to 3. So c equal to 4x. 4 into 3 equal to 12. So option 3 is